beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very quick and easy because this hairstyle literally took me 5 minutes. So I'm going to give you some details on this hair. It is from Amella Hair store on Amazon. I'm going to be linking all the information down below. Here I'm showing you how the hair looks after I already went ahead off camera and I bleached the knots and plucked the front. I really did not spend much time plucking because again the hairline was not very dense, and so I didn't have to do much construction to this hair. Literally, this was probably like the quickest wig I've ever done, probably a total of 30 minutes to do everything. So to continue about the details, it is Brazilian water wave. It's a short human hair bob wig, a 4x4 lace closure wig. It is 12 inches and it is a natural black color. The hair is very soft. It does not shed. It's lightweight. It comes with combs on it, you know, the traditional combs on the nape area, the middle, and the back. It's easy to apply, and the delivery took like 3 days, I believe. So that is a plus, you guys. You should really check them out. This hair is very affordable and it's very easy. So I say this hair is very beginner friendly, and even for those who are pros, you know, you want a quick wig that you can just do and style and you don't have to do much work to it. This is that type of wig. So yeah, I suggest you guys go check them out. You would not be disappointed. And again, I love this hair so much. This has literally been my favorite hairstyle. I actually was doing my hair this day to go on my weekend trip to San Diego, and when I tell you that it just literally proved to be the best hair and the easiest way to do my hair, like, guys, it literally saved my life. Okay, so pretty much I'm just gonna let you guys continue to watch how I style it. It's the same steps that I do in all of my other videos. This time it's just very short and sweet. And because it is a 4x4, like I said, it's just so simple and easy to do and maintain. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys go check out this hair company because they have some great quality hair. If you're ever skeptical about any Amazon companies, please refer to my videos and see some of the hair companies that I reviewed. And please stay tuned. Watch to the very end because, you know, it didn't take me that long. And you guys can achieve this hairstyle too. So stay tuned.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth. Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying.
Pretty much my final result. The hair did retain water for a while, and it gave me that little wet vibe for a little bit. So I'm loving the results. I love how it comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's always a pleasure, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.